Hey, what's up, everybody? So I just got back from vacation and I've got some big news. Colt Steele, an instructor that most, if not all of you are aware of, has just released a brand new Algorithms and Data Structures course. So in a video that I made a couple days ago, I was talking about the importance of learning computer science concepts even as a web developer. Well, Colt created a course that teaches you algorithms and data structures, which is a significant portion of computer science. So computer science as a whole has a lot of different things that you can learn, much more than just algorithms and data structures. But in terms of finding a new job or doing interviews for new jobs, this is a really important part of computer science, and so that's what Colt is covering in this course. So let's just do a quick overview, and if you want to buy the course or you want to check it out, there's a link in the description below. Go ahead and use that to purchase it. I believe it's available right now for $9.99 for a limited time. And you know how Udemy works. They're always going to have different coupons or discount deals, sales, flash sales, things like that. So just keep an eye out for when it's affordable. And then, of course, you've got 30 days to try it, see if it's for you, and get your money back if it's not. Okay, cool. So what will I learn? You'll learn everything you need to ace difficult coding interviews, implement 10 plus data structures from scratch, master dozens of popular algorithms, including 6 sorting algorithms. So there's a ton of sorting algorithms out there, but the more popular ones, there's only a handful of them, and the ones that are used in interviews, there's only a handful of those. So this is going to cover basically anything that you're going to come across in an interview. He's going to have it. He's got bubble sort, quick sort, merge sort, radix sort. And radix sort is super. It's a little more complicated than the other ones. Pretty popular, but not commonly taught. So it's pretty cool that he's teaching that. Okay, so you're basically going to improve your problem-solving skills and become a stronger developer as a whole. So that's good. He's got his curriculum walkthrough and what order you should watch it in. I think he says that you can kind of jump around just because not everything is completely connected, but you'll definitely want to go through this section, Big O notation. And so he'll teach you Big O, and that's just to measure the complexity and the timing, the optimization of these various algorithms that you're going to work with. So you're going to use that to basically measure every different algorithm that you end up writing for the remainder of the course. So that's really important. I would definitely go through that section first. And then he talks about analyzing performance of arrays and objects, problem-solving approach, problem-solving patterns. So he's talking about the way that you can approach difficult problems, like if you blank out when you're at a whiteboard or if you're just working on something on your own. He also talks about different patterns that you can see, so different ways, different methods that people have created for solving things. You may have heard of like divide and conquer, stuff like that. So breaking things down into smaller bits, solving those smaller problems, and then putting it all back together as a whole. Just different approaches that will help you overall in solving some of these more complex problems. So then he has 100% optional challenges. So some challenges for sure. People usually like doing those, so that'll help you actually get some hands-on experience. Then he talks about recursion. This is a very popular concept. You don't want to be one of those developers that never really quite understood what recursion was, and then someone asks you one day and you've been developing for multiple years and you're just like, yeah, I think that's kind of like a loop, right? So it's cool that he's got that, and he also has some problems that you can do in the recursion problem set to kind of get some more hands-on experience as well. Finally, the bonus challenging recursion problems. So he has even more problems that you can do on top of the other problem set, and there's 3 lectures there, 2 in the other one, so 5 total. And then lastly, he's got the searching algorithms. Well, there's 19 more sections after that. So here we go. We've opened it up. And we've got bubble sort, selection sort, insertion sort, comparing bubble selection, insertion sort, merge sort, quick sort, radix sort. So as I mentioned, those are the more popular ones. Those are the ones that you're definitely going to see on some interviews. So then he gets into data structures. He introduces them. Talks about singly linked lists, doubly linked lists, stacks, queues, binary search trees, tree traversal, binary heaps, hash tables, graphs, graph traversal. I can't even pronounce that last one. I'm going to say Dijkstra's algorithm. Hopefully I'm not butchering that. If anyone knows how to pronounce it, comment below. Okay, and then the Wild West is the last one. I'm not even sure what that's about. I'll leave that as a surprise for you to check it out. But yeah, this thing's packed. It's got a lot of information in it. If you're coming from the Web Developer Bootcamp, then you're more than ready to take this course. The basic knowledge of JavaScript syntax is this only requirement. You don't need any experience with data structures or algorithms prior to this course. So it's basically catered towards beginners, but people that have just a little bit of experience with programming. They know how to do like an if-else statement, maybe what an array and an object is, how to do loops, stuff like that. So he's got the description. I'll let you guys take the time to read through that. It's basically everything I just talked about. And of course, there's a bunch of reviews already, so you can see what people are saying. And lastly, yeah, if you can get it at $9.99, that's probably the best price you're going to get it at. And just use the link in the description below to see what price it's at currently. And if it's not that low, you can just keep an eye on it until the price goes down in a Udemy flash sale. And of course, 30-day money-back guarantee. So risk-free. Check it out. If you do take it, go ahead and leave Colt a review. I'm sure he'd appreciate it. That would help him get more students because reviews are a big deal, big deciding factor for people when they're taking a course. And in that regard, go ahead and check out all the reviews that he has currently, kind of see what people are thinking of it. There's already 110 reviews. You could be the next one. All right, so that's it. Just want to let you all know about this JavaScript algorithms and data structures masterclass from Colt Steele. Thanks a lot, and we'll see you in the next video.